Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new to my channel, welcome once more and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. Now I just want to say something very politely right here and now. I got a comment on my channel sometime, I think it's earlier today, and the person was suggesting, okay y'all, I'm not mad. That person was suggesting that I move my countertop appliances, okay? And let me say right here and now, no, I will not. This is my kitchen, and I don't have to say whether I have enough space, yes or no. This here is my kitchen. I own this kitchen. Okay, you all? This is a Jamaican kitchen. And the comment went on to say, hi, me Debbie Dongayadia must go and watch the Food Network and look at the videos that they produce. No, honey bunny, no, honey child. I'm a Jamaican woman. I'm a Caribbean woman. I'm a black woman. This is my kitchen. This is how the real, authentic Jamaican kitchen look. If you come and you want a cup of water from a plastic cup, you'll get it. If you so want it from a glass, you'll get it. Real thing. This is a real thing. Okay? This is an authentic Jamaican kitchen. This is not an hot class, highty-tighty. This is the real. If you notice the things that I do in here, they are real. This is what my kitchen gives. And they went on to say that the things that I have here, I guess that's what it means, because it was like a young epistle in all caps, okay? That these things up here, they attract slang. No, sweetie. I don't rent my kitchen. I live inside my kitchen. I clean every day. I don't have time. I'm not the sort of woman that visit my kitchen every now and then. This is where my life is. And you all who had started and had been on the journey with me for the longest while, you all know that. This is where my life is. This is right here. I worked in this kitchen here for years to pay my son's tuition fee. I don't hop in and out of my kitchen. I live mostly inside of my kitchen, okay? And I'm really not mad, but I'm just saying to you, whoever you are, whether you're a ma'am or you're a sir, no thank you. Okay, y'all? Right here, right now. Now today on this video, I want to show you all how to make yourself some homemade mixed vegetable. You can use other vegetables. I'm going to use some carrots, and I don't know, I think you call it coyote. I don't remember. Somebody did tell me. I'm going to use some chocha. This, if you notice, the chocha is of a lighter shade of green. So I'm going to put the chocha, the carrot. I chose these because they had the brighter orange and this darker shade of green with the string beans to show you all how to make yourself some homemade fresh mixed vegetable. Okay, so what you proceed to do, I'm suggesting, I'm not pushing anything down your throat, you all, okay? You know I love you so much. I'd suggest to you in a very principled way, if you want to peel your carrots, you peel them, but I would suggest that you just scrape them slightly, just not too hard, just scrape them like this, and then you can rinse it. Some people would say they don't peel their carrots, but if you don't want to peel your carrots, no problem. But I find that when I don't peel my carrots, they whatever, if it makes juice or cook, it gets real bitter. So I always scrape them lightly. Now, the string bean, I will just snip off right here. Get right in camera, girl. These ends here and here. Yep. So I'm just going to show you how I do them. I won't be here all to show you everything. Now this is the chocha. I don't know what you all call it, but we call it in Jamaica. 90% of Jamaicans, it's chocha. C-H-O-C-H-O. That's what we call it. So you proceed to peel it with the probably a paring knife. I don't think a peeler goes well with the chocha because it has, look at this, it has some little grooves here. So you'd have to use a paring knife, I suggest. The peeler would never take this out. And you pull apart this little part right here. Huh? Because the skins are embedded in these little grooves. So you'd have to use like a paring knife to pull out right here. And also inside here, you'd have to pull out this. Take this little part out and sort of pare around right here, because this part here is sort of chewy. These that I'm taking out, this little part inside here, it has a sort of chewy, spongy taste. So you'd have it like this. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel them off, and I'll return to show you. We want to dice them in a uniform way. It might not come out this exactly, but almost. You don't want some of them bigger than some. You want them looking like, just like how you'd buy a bag of mixed vegetable. More you on the uniform style. Okay, you also, when we're finished, we'll come back and let you see. Okay? Okay, now family, this is what we have. Look at what we have. We're not probably 100% perfect, but this is how it looks. And I'm going to show you right here with these few pieces how you get it. So you want to half your carrot down, and then you want to quarter your carrot. Use the carrot of your choice and the size, but the smaller, it will probably work better. So you want to use a sharp knife, and then you just try to keep it in that, just like this. So you want to cut your carrot like that. And then there's another thing. You don't want to go too much of one, but you want to go that the carrot stands out. That's why I said chose the carrots that are of the brighter nature. So you nip off your string beans at the top and at the bottom, and you cut them like this. Going right down on the knife. Make sure your knife is sharp, so you have it like this. Because when you do like this, you want to have some of the darker green, some of the lighter green, which is the chocha, and it stands out a whole lot. And then most of all, you want to have the carrots there standing out. So you want to get it looking, have this look like a, you know, and you can do this. You can also do this, and you can freeze it. Okay, you can freeze it for probably about a week or two, no more, because you don't want too much. You don't want, because after that, you know, it's not so fresh again. So if you're going to use it for like weekend, you can do it now. That will be fine. So when you're ready, it's easier, because this chopping, it takes a little time. So I just left back these few pieces to show you how you would do it. So you look at this now and you stir it. You look at it and you say, okay, this looks like it is okay. You have a lot of the carrots, the dark orange, or the orange standing out. You have some of the darker green, and you have, so it sort of blends. So right here now, you have your boiling water ready, and you just proceed to turn it in. Now the cooking is it. You don't want to get this. Now that the water was boiling on a low flame, you want to notch up your flame to about medium, because you don't want the temperature of the water to drop too much. Okay? So you're gonna cover it. You're gonna cover it in enough water, because at the end of this, when you at the end of the cooking process, the beans, the string beans are the lightest, so they'll come to the top, but they'll sink as soon as it starts boiling. So you want to cover it and leave it there on as soon as it starts boiling, probably 5 minutes. You don't want them to boil until they lose the color, getting dark. You want them to have some nice sharp pretty colors. Okay, so that water, when you strain that water, you can save it for vegetable stock. You don't have to throw away that water. It has a lot of strength in there. So we're gonna, as soon as it starts boiling, we're gonna let it boil for 5 minutes. You don't want these vegetables to be soft. You want them to remain crunchy. So when it's finished boiling, we'll come back, show you what it is, and we're gonna chop them and show you how you go about getting a decent homemade mixed vegetable. Okay, now family, so you notice it's cooking, and it has been cooking for about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. So what you want to come, because you want these vegetables, don't do what I do. Okay, you all, please to cool before you put it in your hand. Remember that. Please not to just do what Debbie do. Okay, I'm sorry, I should have told you that before. So yeah, the string bean is good, and you want to have these vegetables with a crunch. Unless you want to cook them until they are soft. You don't want that. So what you want to do now, you're going to turn your flame off and you're going to remove it because you want this as vegetable stock. So you're going to strain. So what you get from it right there would be your vegetable stock. This is your vegetable stock. Look at it. Nice, clear, pretty color. The cooking process is still ongoing. So you want to put it here and you want to have a nice ice bath. And you want to pour it gently right over. Camera girl, I want you to get right in. Look at the colors coming right to life, y'all. Right in on this, camera girl. The ice should not go down in there. So this cold water stops the cooking process, shocks it, stop the cooking process, and the vegetables appear so bright, so pretty. Okay, y'all? So you let it stay there and you let it drain a bit. And we'll come back and show you how we proceed. Okay, y'all? Okay, now family. It has been properly drained from the cold water. It's cold. The cooking process has stopped. This is what you have. So we're going to put it in our plate or a bowl or whatever you want to, whatever suits you, whatever you have at home. You don't have to go out to buy a fancy plate or a bowl. It is a plastic dish you have, it's just a plastic dish, okay? Whatever you have, whatever it is that you have, this is what you're going to use too. So now look at it. Look at the color. Look at what you saw what I was saying to you. You have that bright orange. You got some of this pale green and you got some of this bright green. Okay? And I'm going to put in this link for you in the description how much of the carrots you're to use to the proportion of the carrot to the string bean to the chocho. And I'm saying to you, I'm throwing this out there to you. If some of you all have done mixed vegetable and you have other vegetables that you can use to substitute these three, it can be done with any form of vegetable. And you so desire, you can send it to me. And if you would like for me to do it, and I would say, okay, my subscriber, Les Forever, Amaru Cooks, I feel comfortable, I can call those names. I know they won't be having any problems, okay? They are subscribers of mine, and their article like that. Sassy Sophia, Jules, I know, they Julene. I can, so, any one of you who are so interested and you have other vegetables that I can get in Jamaica and you want me to do a vegetable dish like this, and to show everybody that okay, we can use other vegetables and you're okay with me to call your name, you can do that. I want you to get all incorporated. Now remember, this is your stock, this is your vegetable stock, okay y'all? So I've got to present to you. So from my kitchen to yours, to your American, your Surinamese, your other Caribbean island countries, it's homemade mixed vegetables done from scratch. Okay y'all, do enjoy. Now I notice you have been requesting a lot of dishes. I've seen them all. I've seen them. I'm coming to you with them. I am coming. I have them. Please keep your notifications on. Remember to subscribe and to share, like. And when you do so, please leave your comments below. Principled, mannered, well stated, and all of that. Okay, we'd so appreciate that. It's all about you and I. It's not about me. Okay, y'all. And I want to say to my fellow YouTubers, whether if you're a person that is starting a channel or you have it in your intention to start a YouTube channel, try to make note that you know that YouTube carries haters. For you to be a YouTuber, you have got to deal with haters. So I would suggest to you, don't hate on them. If you have got to say something, say it in a principled manner, because you know what happens some of the times? Some people don't see you, they don't even know your journey, they don't know your ability, they don't know your potential. But because you're not so dressed and you're not so, flashy and all of that, they tend to want to, maybe go a little extra mile. But you know what happened? Be who you are on your channel. Do what you want to do that suits you, and also, most of all, that suits your subscribers, the people that keeps you on YouTube. Okay, y'all? So remember once more to share, like, continue to leave your comments below. Your requests, they have all been heard. I've all seen them. I'm sorry. And I'm working so much on them. You see that we're coming up to our 5,000 mark. And I guess that's why some of the 18 is coming, but no, we don't matter that. Because you know your girl really like that. You know what happened? We're coming up also to our 1 year anniversary. And look here, we're going to bake a cake right here. And we're going to celebrate our birthday right here, right on this channel here. So once more, love you so much. Remember, Debbie from Dongayard, I said to you all, bless, no stress.